Bonjour et bienvenue sur le floor de Wall Street où nous avons le plaisir aujourd'hui de recevoir Kenneth Porcari, manager, directeur à ICAP. Kenneth, let's talk a little bit about forecast. Where do you see the U.S. market going for the first quarter 2012?
I think we're going to be under a little bit of pressure. I think once the new year comes, as long as Europe continues to be kind of in turmoil, I think it's going to put a lid on our market. Now, that being said, our U.S. macro data is getting better. I would suspect that we will start to creep up, but I still think that the European crisis situation is going to continue to trump and dominate kind of the global outlook. So I think we're going to struggle for the first quarter anyway. I think what's frustrating, certainly to a lot of Americans, is that the rebound, the economic recovery has not been faster. But I think that's a direct result of kind of the global turmoil, certainly what's being led out of Europe, I think is causing that kind of slow pace in terms of our economic recovery.
Would you have an investment advice to give to our viewers right now?
Okay. Here's what I think. I think you have to look at the longer term picture. I certainly think if you're a long-term investor, if you have somebody that's got 5 or 10 years that you're investing, I think you have to eliminate this noise, because this noise right now is short-term noise. Do I believe that Europe is going to implode? No, absolutely not. Do I think they're going to come and eventually fix the situation? I do. It might take a little bit of a long time, but if you're somebody that's got a long-term time horizon to invest, I think now's a very fine opportunity to commit some money. Now, that being said, you have to pick the right sectors, right? You have to pick sectors that you think are going to do well. I think you have to think about industrial names like infrastructure type names, because I think there's going to be a global push on infrastructure. Listen, I know this is probably not the right sense. I love the financials. I think the financials have been so beaten up. I think that the financials are going to be the first ones to come back. So, but you have to have a stomach for that, right?
Kenneth, thank you very much for answering our questions today.
You're very welcome.